Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Just fooling around with Photoshop, and I actually came across this, and I just realized that Photoshop updated. So, for all you landscape photographers out there, this feature could be game-changing. So, let's roll that intro. Alright guys, I guess Photoshop did a crazy update here, and I just stumbled upon this and I'm absolutely loving it. So before we get into it, if you can hit that, go down here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Links are in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you need to fire up Photoshop. Okay, so next, what you want to do, click Edit. Now you'll actually see right here, Sky Replacement. So click on Sky Replacement. A new dialog box will pop up right here. What? As simple as that. What? Okay. So you can actually change your sky to different presets here. They give you, I think, around 20 presets or so of different skies that you can choose. But okay, for this tutorial, what we're going to do, we're going to, let's get some light puffy clouds in there, right? Yeah. All right, change it up. That doesn't look that bad. Alright, so, and of course you can import your own skies as well. Just in this, you just have to hit this little plus icon here, and then you can upload your own sky images. So I think they give you about 20 presets that you can kind of play around with. And with this, you can scale it up. Scale it all the way up. Scale it all the way down. Of course you don't want that because that just looks hideous. But this is all a part of the learning curve, right? So okay, just leave it there. That looks good. You can also change the temperature of the sky. Make it really blue, make it really warm. And of course all of these sliders, they will show your preview in real time. You can also adjust the brightness of the sky here. Bring it all the way up, bring it all the way down. Right, and fade the edge. Right now it's already at 100. You can bring it down, and then you can see along the mountain line here that it's more defined. But it's all personal preference. You call the shots when you're editing your photos, right? So, got shift edge up here as well, and yeah. Okay, so say you like this, press OK. Photoshop is going to automatically create some new layers there for you, so you can toggle it on and off just like that. So this was the original, this is the replacement, original, replacement, original, replacement, original. So I mean, that is a quick little update to Photoshop, the October 2020 update. And for all you landscape photographers out there, if you really want to have those dramatic and moody skies, but they're just not happening for you, this can make it so. And it's just super quick and super easy. So play around with it, practice, and enjoy. Alright, I think that pretty much does it for this video. Before I let you go, if you can please go down below, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Did this video help you out? Let me know. the comments below. Is this game changing for all you landscape photographers out there? Let me know. Comments below. I'm liking it. I'm digging it. We'll see. Maybe we'll pump out some edits here with some new skies. So, all right, I'm going to leave it at that. I've been rambling a little bit too much here, so I guess we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.